Today's video, guys, we're going to somewhere quiet. Quiet. What I mean is quiet is we have time to uh, be ourselves. So let's go. So first, we're going to ride a bus. This is like a 5 hour trip from my place going to this place. So we're going to ride a bus slowly but surely, and we're going to meet my one of my relatives, and we're going to explore this place that's so wonderful, so nice, and so quiet. And it's gonna be a time for me to have a quiet moment within myself. So let's go and let's tour this place, and let's go how we're going to get there. And I am hoping that we're gonna have a very nice journey. So as you can see here, so we are now here, guys, inside the boat ferry, which is we're going to ride for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And we're gonna pay 20 peso for this ride going to the island, which we call the Samal Island here at Davao City. So we're going to ride this ferry boat. We call it Lansa here in our place, and we're going to ride this one for quite a bit, few minutes, just like 10 minutes. And as you can see here in the view, that's gonna be nearly around 5:45 p.m. It's gonna getting dark. So I'm with my aunt right now, and we're going to their house. And we're going to see what's behind this island. So this is Samar Island. They said that this is full of different kind of beach resorts, and the island consisted with different kinds of tourist attractions. And they have plenty of seafoods, food, souvenirs. You can enjoy beaches, beautiful beaches. And they said that this is like a tourist spot and a tourist attraction, not only for some foreigners but also for the locals, because this is like a quiet place to be, and it's very relaxing to be there. So I said, okay, I'll go there by my aunt. Luckily, I found out that my aunt is having a house there. So it's really like a blessing to me to find out that, because before I travel here, I don't know where I'm going to stay. I don't know where I'm going and I don't know what's gonna happen. So it's it that a blessing come up and said, "Oh, we have a house there, so you can go there and you can turn around the city of Samal, and you can visit some beaches." So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to explore the places. So as of now, we are very near at the port of Samal. We are very near, guys. This view here, you can see the lights already because it's really dark, getting dark. And it's like it's 6 a.m. It's 6 p.m. already, so it's getting dark. So we're going to onboard this ferry boat. So as you see, the river is really like color blue. It's really beautiful in the eyes. So I said I'm going to explore this at the daytime because it's really good and capturing those beautiful islands there surrounded with water. So we are going down, and the people behind me is still talking that, oh, we are caught in the camera, we're still in the camera. Yeah, we're outside already, and we're just gonna walk a little bit so that we can ride a tricycle. We have bus also here. Look at this one. They have buses. They have motorcycles. This is like city of Samar Island in Davao City, Philippines. So their tricycle here is very cute, guys. If you are like 6-footer and above, no, I don't think so. If you can really fit in there because it's like a Filipino size motorcycle. We don't have like this motorcycle in our place, but here it's like very cute. You can stroll around with these motorcycles, and it's getting night time, and I have plenty of talkings with the driver on where, which, and how we are going to explore this little island with a lot of resorts. So when I'm passing by, I see some resorts there. It's very beautiful actually, and they have a lots of food court. They have lots of food restaurants here. And it's really, really good capturing in the eyes those lights around. And plenty of beach resorts that I already passing by. So I said, oh, this island is full of resorts. This island is full of beautiful, beautiful beaches. So I'm going to explore that tomorrow. But for now, guys, it's getting dark. So we're going to head out to the place where my auntie is staying because we're going to get rest. So for the next video, I will gonna be capturing for you or touring you to this place. For now, Summer Shore. Shoppers, baba, Alizur, Samar Family Garden Beach Resort. Parang ganda niya. Samar Island. Ginawa na talagang business pala yun dito. Meron kang Maricar Beach Resort. Welcome to
Camp Holiday.
ano to? Beach Resort din to?
Camp Holiday.
Ito. Parang ang ganda dyan ah.
Saman.
Ah, Samal Club.
Club.
Club Saman.
Magkano kaya ang ano dyan? Per day. So, plenty of resort. Private property. Slow down.
Sila.
Ang dami.
Sila Beach.
Resort, resort.
Isla. Isla Beach.
Ang dami.
Ay, ang gwapo tayo.
Ha?
Ang gwapo tayo dito sa Kapatian.
Ay, di. Panggubatan. Wala, layo tayo.
Snow garden. Ano to? Harbor. Harbor view. Coral reef.
Diri ang bridge tulay.
Ano yun dyan, no? Plantation? Ay, ano? Parang Chinese mayari. Samal Island, Davao.
Diri ang bridge tulay. Na tulay oh.
Ah, paradise.
Tulay. Kung ma-open ang tulay.
Ah,
Para dili na ka makasakay o barge.
So,
ah, okay. Gagawan pala nila ng tulay.
oh.
Siguro may ano yan, business nila. Baga, dyan dadaan, pagdaan mo, bayad. Negosyo rin eh.
Oo.
Construction.
Tulay.
Tulay to.
Culture of security.
Costa Marina.
Costa Marine. Ah!
Blue water.
Blue waters. Ay, blue water. Blue naman talaga ang water eh, di ba?
Libre, mahalan eh.
Saan yun?
Kini.
Discovery?
Oh.
Kaya tanong pala yun.
Asa?
Wala ang bayad.
Kumbot. Apa? Labay bayad eh mo inquire?
Sunod ka check.
Wala man siguro.
Ikaw ba?
Natana da sa si.
Ikaw, asa ka?
Ha?
Ikaw, asa ka?
Hintayin tayo ni Kuya.
Oh.
Sama Discovery tapos yung sama Shore doon. Dito.
Oh.
Right. Sarado man.
Ha? Lang kay diha lang tikas, lang kay dana. Dua.
Meron sila, ganyan sila oh. It's made of coconut. Yeah, see, it's made of coconut. I love salmon. Bumili na ako ng ref. Bigay ko kay Edward pag dumating ko. Video mo nga ako.
Yan lang.
Kaya awakan mo lang. Look at this. If you want to have the souvenir like this, it's made up of coconut shield, I think. So, and then, we have also like this. It's a kettle. It's a kettle made of coconut, guys. Look at that. Hindi daw nga pwede dyan. Pagalitan ko dyan.
Picturean ko.
Video yun. Saglit lang, video mo lang ako. Dali.
Dali
mo lang. Ingat.
Ganit.
So, bawal pumunta doon guys. Hanggang dito lang tayo nito. Hanggang dito lang tayo nito mag-video kasi bawal doon area. So, wala. Hanggang dito lang. I-picture kita. Gusto mo? Puro mga bat yun dito. Uy guys, bat cave. Bat cave.
Gatong tagaan.
Oops. Planted bed. Uy, ang ganda ng ano.
Dalawa ang alam dyan. Pabalik siguro. Ganda ito dito.
Bat cave. Bat cave. Bat cave. Bat cave. Oops, oops.
Kana na siya.
Oh, bat cave.
Dana lang, tulay bayad. Plato ra na bayad.
Bat sanctuary. Bat sanctuary.
Welcome to Bat Sanctuary. Ha? Ay, merong swimming pool. Saan bang daan nito? Dito. Saan bang daan?
Isa-isa ta.
Mamaya nakabalik natin doon na tayo. Maganda yata doon. Saan ang daan nito? Dito yata na. This is beach. Okay. Chichi.
Libutin natin tong kanilang resort. Tignan natin kung maganda. O pwede ko ba madala dito ang date ko? Hindi. May dagat guys. May dagat siya. Nice.
Pwede mag-aki? Okay, ano ba ang dagat katong naay kinason?
Elena Pavanek. Elena Pavanek. Yung mga rooms nila guys. Rooms. May souvenir area din sila. Souvenir. Mga rooms yan. Rooms. Ang lawak. Lawak na kanilang beach resort.
Maganda yung picture mo dito sa ano ba? Dito.
Ganyan.
Maganda yun kasi
I-direct mo sa ako ang account ha.
ay hindi pa to. Sa pag-uwi ko pa to kasi nasa ano to, computer pa yan. Sa computer. Lawak. Pag high tide siguro pupunta ang tubig. Pero pag low tide wala. Ito yung mga rooms nila. Rigata, human resource girl.
Dito ka ano.
Mm. Gutom ka na? Gutom ka na, te?
Ikaw.
Ikaw ganit tinatanong ko. Ako pa din tanongin saan tayo dumaan kanina. Gutom ka na? Saan ba tayo kakain? Saan ba may kainan dito? Kain tayo?
Ikaw.
Ano ba naman ito?
Ano na siya? Ikaw man.
Ikaw man yan ang dapat magano kay
Ikaw. Ikaw ang
area. Ito pang bata. Tanungin mo muna si kuya.
Yet the member in my channel, you will click the dollar sign below or click the join button so that you will be part of my family member, and you also gonna watch my only members video in my channel and enjoy some perks on my live streaming as well. So thank you so much again, guys. This is 1 hour video. Enjoy watching. Thank you.
Hindi na.
Kasi pag-contact 25 po niya. Nagpakaita. Kapag ko 23 na nadala ko. Iba natin ako.
Oo, ako nang bahala.
Senior na dia.
Space. Space. Dito na ako sabi. Excuse me. Okay. Pwede na pumasok ko? Saan ba dito po yung may mga gaming chair? Gaming chair?
Ay, taas pa yan no, malastis
pa.
Alas 10 pa.
Grocery.
Yung food court niyo ba? Open na?
Yung mga kuha lang dyan, yung mga tenant nyo na gagmay.
Yung food court niyo open na din?
Wala, ma'am. Sa taas pa.
Food court? Sa taas pa din?
Oo.
Sige, tingin na lang.
Pag-i-open sa bago.
Okay, sige. Anong mayroon dyan? Anong mayroon dyan?
Bago opening nyo.
Ma-open yun. Anak tayo ng gaming chair. So, sabi nila na sa third floor daw. So, pumunta natin yung third floor na yun. So much fun. Siguro sale yun. Third floor gaming chair. So, maghanap tayo dito ng mga gaming chair. Tingnan natin kung mayroon dito. Kasi sabi mayroon po dito. Gaming chair. So, let's find out. Yes. Chalkboard. Good morning. May pricing ba kayo nito?
Ito ma'am is 9,990.
Ha?
9,990.
Meron pa siyang ganun dito sa ibaba, wala. Ay, ito meron. Kasi sobrang laki na. Dapat ganyan ang kaliit. Magkano yung ganito?
Ito na.
13,780.
13,780. Naka-discount na po siya.
13 siya.
Dati 15.
Ito yung 9,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaso wala siyang ano dito sa baba, no? Malaki man siya. Ito 11,000.
It's expensive, the gaming chair, guys, so I ended not buying it. I'm just canvassing the price of it, so I'm not going to do it. So yeah, we are going to stroll around a little bit of this G Mall of Davao City, Philippines. So I'm going to stroll around here and see what they have here. So let's go, guys.
Hello, good morning. 12 o'clock pa ba ang chicken? Oh, pwede. 2 p.m. pa. 2 p.m. pa pa.
So after the mall, I go to one of the hotels here in Davao City, and they said that my chicken is gonna be at 2 p.m. So we just stay here in their lobby at the sofa and have some me time on my cell phone while waiting for the 2 p.m. time, because I went here like very early, guys. Yeah, I'm going to stay here in the hotel for 1 day, 1 night only. So, and tomorrow I'm going home. So much. And please continue to watch this video. Thank you.
Punta tayo sa room natin, guys. So,
Oh my. So guys, I'm going to my room now. I think this is enough for today's video, and tomorrow I'm going to meet my cousin here at Davao City, Philippines. So stay tuned for that, guys. There's next video, and next of it, I'm going to meet Filipina MTV, Sis Alma. So I'm going to have a video of it soon also. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you again on my next live streaming. Thank you so much. Love you all.
sis. Hi! Hello! How are you? Hi! Dito kami sa Blue Lotus. Tapos? Magtanot. Restaurant. Saan ang daan nila? For them? Ah? Okay, thank you. Good evening. Palubat na palayo. Thank you, kuya.
Maka-sustain pa na siya, even palubat.
87% naman pala siya. Nakalimutan ko yung battery dahil.
Sa boat ito.
Ano bang order natin? Ikaw, ano bang gusto mo dyan?
Good for ka naman siguro na ilang mga foods.
Siguro.
No?
Kuya, ano bang best seller nyo dito sa seafoods nyo?
Sa seafood soup,
Yes.
clam soup ang best seller ma'am. Sa sinigang kinulat, tuna head with eye.
Good for 2 servings na ba to?
Ang soup po, good for 5.
Ang dami na pala. Yan din na
Kailangan. Wala pong katawag after na pag-dito na sa taas.
Kakain muna kami kasi lowbat na ako. Clam soup. So ito soup lang. Soup kami ngayon. Soup lang kami ngayon. Soup lang kami ngayon, guys.
May ano, dito ang ano, ito ba ang bestseller mo? Sabi mo na bestseller ito. Tapos parang, ano din? Pero baka masarap. That's it. Yan. Okay lang. Milky masyado na. Mag-early ko po ma.
We are going to eat some breakfast. Kalak ba ayaw mo mag-rice? Mamaya, mag-video mo na.
Doon ka na mag-upo, sure. Pinakadilan? Pinakadilan o?
Oh, di ba? Kumukuha siya ng pagkain na isama ko sa vlog. Morning. May pansit, may itlog. Ano ito? Beans. May sausages. May dilis pa gusto. It's okay. Go. Wala kumuha ng drinks, baka maliit ka. Sige na, sige. Go na. Okay lang. Daily pa naman. 7 makabahawa. Fish na, diba? Maglit lang. Masyak fillet.
Parang, una yata.
No, nag-fried lang.
Ha?
Hindi ka mag-coffee.
Coffee ka kung gusto mo.
Bigyan
Juice. May juice din. Ano mo din? Ano ka pa din dyan?
Here now, guys, I'm on the road. We're going to meet one of the YouTuber friend of mine. She's Alma today, and we are here at the Crown Residence of Davao City. We will going to meet up here, so yeah, and tune in, guys, because we're going to explore this place a little bit with Sis Alma later. So keep on watching. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Hi! Nagkita kami dito. Nag-ano kami, mag-interviewhan.
Mag-interviewhan
We'll go for interview here.
Ay, Diyos ko. Nag-ano ka na? Kilap ka na?
Nagpa-deposit pala sila.
Yes.
Mura lang pala na siya. Dapat mag-ano tayo.
Ano na? Susana niya ka to. Sama ka sa vlog. Lamia ka na mag-picture. Thank you.
Oo, mamaya mag-video tayo kasi
Kun Banwa.
we're here.
Kun Banwa.
It's good evening na.
Ha?
Good evening naman yung Kun Banwa. High blood. May sungka sila. Sungka is game man.
Dahil. Ito pala. Pwede ba? Wala sa plano yan.
Wala sa plano, pero here we are. Marami kaming pag-uusapan, guys. Very important matters of life. Ay, nako.
Very important matters sa buhay. Okay.
156. Maalala mo pa paglabas?
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, pa-return na lang po ng
Kaya kung mawala siya ng 5. Oo, sige.
kasi ano ma'am, yung card lang ma'am sa pwede sa card.
So, ganito yung bed niya. May drawer. May banyo.
Ito ako diri ha.
I don't know if may hot and cold ba ito.
Wala yata, no. Meron daw.
Temperatures dito.
So, tumutay sa taha. Anin ko i-try ko. One kape. May free silang kape. And we have 2 beds in one room. Ayan. Ito na yung my telephone dito. Tapos, that's it. Toilet and bath. With heater. Okay naman siya. Right?
Guys, i-live stream niya walang tao.
Meron na. Hello. Nasa ano kami, guys. Nagme-meet up kami dito at ipa-share ko kayo.
Sana doon ka nag-ano send sa group. Group ba? Group. Yung group natin dati. Yung na IC.
Hi guys. We're here. Nagpapipul-pul, hindi naliligo ang mga person.
Pul-pul lang. Here at pul-pul. Para makuha min.
Order na lang kami ng food sa Grab. Thank you.
Thank you, kuya. Crown Residence, Devon. Ito yung pagkain namin. Shanghai, may barbecue, may sisig, may palabok.
Grabe.
Kakain kami. Oh, ito na eh. Sa Alma.
Hi.
Kakain kami guys. Para kaming mga ano ngayon.
Wala pa silang tissue. Dapat may tissue.
Wala bang tissue natin? Mahugas lang tayong kamay.
Sige na, let's eat.
Eat guys.
Walang kutsara ang ano natin. One time na order, Diyos ko.
Antay na order yung mas. Baka hanggang bukas.
Hanggang bukas talaga, no? Feel ko nga. Ano ba yan? Ang dami. At least okay naman. Feeling ko kasi kanina, very hungry. Ikaw din, sis? Bakit nawala bigla ang hunger? Uminom ka na kasi ng soft drink. That's why.
Busog.
Kain siguro tayo mamaya. Anong oras na ngayon?
na tayo. Ang dami lang yung mas pa. Isang ko na yan. Hello everyone, we survived one day here, safe and sound.
Sleeping well?
Si Salma is there, Sleeping Beauty. Anong date na ngayon? Today is, ano na? Friday, July 25, I think, July 25. So, we survived one day here at Crown Residence.
From Regency Residence.
Crown Regency Residence at Davao City with Sis Alma here.
Later.
Yeah, so our itinerary for today, we were just going somewhere else. And then after breakfast, we already eat some Landers. We were going to Landers and she said she wanted to have like Angus burger. American style.
The pizza there is very big, diba?
American style. So, yeah, see you there again, guys, later. So, yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
This way to lobby. The pool, oh.
Gym sila din.
Sila ng gym. Per hour.
We're leaving the hotel and we're going to the next destination.
We are going to somewhere out there.
We're going to our next destinations. So see you there, guys. Bye-bye.
We're going to Randers, guys. Narinig yan? Paano talaga ako? Panirang.
Nagbibidyo din ako na mayroong ganyan. Yung parang habang nagbabiyahe pag nag-edit ka.
Oo.
Hey, Randers, oh.
Welcome, Alma. Welcome.
Magsha-shopping daw siya, samahan ko lang.
Hindi, kakain kami.
Magsha-shopping siya, samahan ko lang, guys, ha?
Sana all. Kakain lang tayo dito, sis. Uy,
Mamaya may gaming chair pala, oh. Patay ka lang.
mamimili.
May gaming chair. Gusto ko
Yeah.
to.
American size yun eh.
Ay, American size ba to? Parang maliit naman siya, eh. Magkano kaya? 6,000. 6,000 lang.
Gosh, selection Landers gaming chair.
Parang laki.
Hi ma'am, pwede ninyo i-try ma'am.
Ha? Pwede ba ibaba?
Yes po, ansay mo ma'am.
Ito.
Gaming chair ma'am.
Oo.
Sige na. Pwede ma-try?
Pwede ba na siya matasan ma'am?
Wow. Laki.
Tama lang siya sa akin. Parang, wala ba itong parang dito? Oh? Yung
Wala
parang-
ma'am.
Wala na bang discount ito?
Nakalas na siya 500 ma'am kay selected by Landers siya ma'am. Bali direct supplier na siya ma'am.
Okay na.
Ay, yung isa magkano yung...
Sa online pwede.
Ma'am, tag-3-2 na lang ko siya ma'am.
Okay. Okay lang. Wala, mapapa-shopping ka na ngayon, Day.
Makabili yata ako nang wala sa oras.
Saan nandito ka na? Magpa-member kasi pag ano dito sis, no?
May, pag member ba mayroong ano, discount?
700 na bang member?
Nakalas na siya ma'am kay selected by Landers na po. Bali direct supplier naman din siya ma'am.
Ay, nawala sis. Paano ito?
Ganun mo lang. Itong, naka-less na tong price niya.
500
Ito na siya?
ma'am. Yes ma'am, 7K man siya ma'am. Napot niyo mas dakuan ni siya dito ma'am. Color black lang po, pero tag 10K siya ma'am.
Wala ba ibang kulay? Ay, sa kulay na gano'n?
Wala na ma'am, nga nila ma'am. Kung gusto ka magana ma'am ka, ng pundol lang na po, criss-cross ma'am.
Selection ba lang? Ang ganda, no?
Pero hindi ko tayo kung kulay. Baka mo.
Maulang dahil na ilahang mga kuan, no? Wala na ilain, no? Nga maulag yun.
Uy! Ano bang ibang kulay? May kulay na iba yan. Bibilin ko yan.
Nasi black ma'am, pero katong 10K lang.
10K. Maganda itong leather. Leather ba, no? Leather. Ito ang maganda.
Natataasan pa to.
Yes ma'am.
Malaki pang American size kasi siya, no? Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki. Pataasan niya daw, no? Ganda. Tapos paano yan ibabalot mo pag dali? Ay,
Paano pa halimbawa
ganito.
dadalhin mo sa ano? Sa...
Dili na sa mga mo.
Ah. Diyan mo tapos labas tayo kasi doon yung pagkain ng sister. Lan, gutom na ka?
Hindi pa naman.
Oh, pwede tayo maglakad-lakad muna if you want.
Oh, sige.
Kasi wala ako nakarala. Madalas na ako dito. Yung bread nila sis. 1,400.
Wala bang maliit-liit niya. Gusto ko sana. Ito yung binigay ng kapatid ko dati sa akin.
First lang naman kasi siya. US brand.
Looks like. Ayun. 1,000. Parang mo nalaman ay. 1,400. Tuloy ka na.
Sige, sige. Di dyan muna yung
Saan tayo
bread.
pupunta?
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung bread muna. Ay, mag-video na ako din sis.
Uy, may ano, oh, muffins. Halika na.
Masarap ng bread nila dito.
Bibili ka na?
Oo, ang sarap-sarap nito. Parang may milk na sa loob.
Magkano na lang?
Ito din, ayaw ko masyado niyan. Doon na tayo, kain. Dito tayo sa suot ko. No? Ako na mag-order. Yung Angus beef. Yung beef burger ba?
Nasaan? Hindi, sabihin mo na lang.
Ayun lang, oo. Ano? Kailangan.
All famous, US famous all beef combo.
Only jalapeno cheese and the hot dog. Race out na po si ano no, si Olga.
Jalapeno ka lang na siya.
Mayat lang.
Mild.
No.
Dili na ako.
Spice. Ha? Hindi siya lang.
Jalapeno.
Chili jalapeno.
Ah, so mo ni siya.
Yes. Kuha ka jalapeno cheese.
Daming spark left ng ano no. Hindi ko na ulo dito nandito kami. Kaya hindi na dagdag na pa.
Kasi ang mahal na yung price.
Inip mo yung number mo.
Number na.
Number saan pagahin natin.
Yung laki ng drinks. Puro Amerika man. May ATM dyan, sis. Sa ikulan, mayroon din siguro ATM. Cheers. Uy, kalaki. Laki-laki. Kasi malaki. Diba?
Iba na naman ang angle.
Ibang angle naman para maganda.
Pero pag hindi mo pwede naman dalhin. Diba?
Hello. Sige na, picture.
Ayoko na. Masyado ba yun? Dati, ang first step ko dito. Every time nagpunta ko sa Davao, sabi ko, dito ako. Tapos, mostly Filipino ang nandito.
Wala pa yung media mo? Malaki ng dami ng price. Harap mag-iis lang, magkano sa ilalim.
Dapat maganda dito na. Jollibee. Kasi naman ang presyo, parang 90 lang yan sa Ikinay. Hi, let's eat lunch. Lunch. Pag ano talaga.
Hindi ko maubos yata ito. Dahil ko uwi.
Pati, ako ko yun. Pero dahan-dahan, hindi ako magmadali.
Oh, nabi.
Kaya gusto ko dito kasi ngayon. Instead of Jollibee nagsawa na. Yung taste na talaga kung ano kasi man siya na.
Wala konti lang picture.
Ang gusto ko kasi malaki.
Or should I say, our Landers tour for today with Sis Alma is done already. So it's time for me to go back home. And once again, thank you so much for watching this premiere video, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that all bell notification. And If you're not yet a member, you may try to just click the join button on the members tab. And thank you so much for those who are still supporting my channel. For those who send their blessings through my channel, thank you so much. And of course, we're gonna end our video right now because me is going home already. So once again, this is Ches saying ingat lagi and God bless everyone. Bye!